Okay, this is a copy of Kyocera KM-2550. Very light. You cannot see the print or copy. No, almost no toner. So first I check the drum. I clean the corona wire. Still light copy. So next I use a different drum unit. Still a light copy. So next I replace the developing unit. Light copy. Still light copy. So last I clean the transfer roller, and I noticed that the transfer roller is not in its proper position. So when I check it, I noticed that the bushing bracket was broken. So when I replaced the bushing bracket, the copy is this. So the culprit is the transfer roller bushing bracket, not the drum, not the corona wire, not the developing unit. It's a bushing bracket of transfer roller. Okay, I will show you how to replace the bushing bracket of a transfer roller. Okay, this is the transfer roller. So I noticed that the transfer roller is not in the proper position. So every time you will lock, okay. So when I clean it, I noticed that the bushing bracket, this one, and the bushing bracket in the right side, but it's not in the proper position. So when I check, the one bushing bracket was broken. So I will show you how to replace the bushing bracket. So just unlock. Okay, then remove another one. This one, so unlock. Okay, then remove the spring. Okay, just rotate. You see, this is the culprit. That's why the photocopy and the print is not clear, because the transfer roller was not in its proper position. So the toner cannot transfer properly going to the fuser, because this transfer roller will give positive charge at the back of the paper, because the toner is a negative charge. So the toner will stick in the A4, the plain paper. So if this transfer roller is not properly charged or is not in the proper position, so the toner will not transfer to the fuser properly. So that's the cause of light copy, because of this transfer. Okay, anyway, I will replace. This is the bushing bracket. I got this from the other machine, the defective machine. So now we will replace. Okay, so now from the other side. Okay, now every time, okay, so now it's in the proper position. Okay, the bushing here is not properly. Okay, mission accomplished. Culprit.